a legend.
I'm a legend. I'm a legend.
So this is probably going to be a hunter's dream. If you hunt, you're definitely going to need this. This is the HD11 hood basket. This fits our bumper, or it also fits and mounts right up to your factory OEM bumper. These twist pins, you can lift this basket up. You're gonna be able to access your radiator under the hood and still utilize and get to that machine if you need to. I've had customers send me pictures of hogs up here, deer. Some people don't like the goriness to get all your bed dirty and stuff like that. Now you can put it right here. There's tie downs, so you can put coolers, gun mounts, guns. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And you can powder coat it to your liking. So if you want this on your machine, check it out on the website, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trails.